Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to connect Webmail and HiDrive in IONOS. Now to do this, there is actually a prerequisite, and that is to have mail business, okay? A mail business contract for your IONOS email address. And that contract actually includes HiDrive. So what you need to do is just log into your IONOS Webmail dashboard. Come here, click on these three horizontal lines. Okay, the top left, you'll see all the applications. And if you don't have Mail Business, you'll not see Drive here. But if you do, you'll see the Drive options. I want you to just click on Drive, and then we'll get redirected right here. It will ask us to connect HiDrive to Webmail. Okay, so you click here, connect to HiDrive. It will open up this pop-up right here, where basically all you need to do is go ahead and log in with your HiDrive access data. Okay, you will need to log in, and then after you have logged in, you'll be asked to allow permission. So just click on allow and you'll be able to establish the connection between your IONOS email account and HiDrive. Really that easy, and that is how to connect Webmail and HiDrive in IONOS.